Section 1. Right foot forward point, left foot forward point. Right foot cross quarter to right back side forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2. Right foot side chassé, back knock, recover. Left foot side chassé, back knock, recover. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Section 3. Right foot toe strap, left foot toe strap. Right foot side lock, quarter to left forward, walk, walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4. Right foot, hip and foot together, left foot, walk, walk. Left foot, hip and foot together, right foot forward, quarter to left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.